Welcome back to Non-Nonsense Airbnb. Airbnb has recently started using artificial intelligence to group photos which you have uploaded on your listing, and it categorizes them automatically for each individual room in your property. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate that feature and create a photo gallery. And you should also review the photos it has automatically categorized, because AI is AI. It can be wrong sometimes. To do this, log into your Airbnb account from the computer, click on switch to hosting on the top right. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. Then click on listings and then click on your listing. That will open up the listing page, and by default it will land you on this screen. This is where the magic happens. Showcase your photos by room instantly. All you need to do is create your photo tour. Click on this and it will automatically arrange the photos depending on how many rooms and bathrooms and other spaces you have mentioned on your listing. So it's super important. If you haven't done this, log in to your Airbnb account and make sure you click on this button, and let me show you what happens when you do that. It is now categorizing all my pictures into different spaces what I have listed on the property. Once it is all done, just click on check it out and make sure you go in and review all these photos, because it can sometimes be wrong. In my case, it all looks good, so I can just leave it here. But I believe it is a great thing. Go in and make sure you create this photo tour of your property. You just need to click on a button and AI does it all for you. I hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you.